me alone.
All right.
Leave me alone.
All right.
Leave me alone.
All right.
Leave me alone.
All right.
Kai,
No.
come. Come.
No.
Yeah, I love you. All right, can you say your name? Luna. That was perfect.
Lorna.
Why you turn your bed up like that? I'm not, you don't know.
Rispondi a questi gatti. Brava, che vuoi? Diglielo. Ah.
Bailey, are you sad? No.
Oh, you're my baby, and I love you, but you cannot go turkey hunting with me.
I need to tell you something, but you gotta come here so I can whisper it to you. You look like a potato.
Say, I need you to tell him, I need you to put the cat down. Please. Ask him nicely.